Come on board the Malindi K with us as we restore her to her former glory. In this episode, we enjoy our stunning backyard after Des and Bronny's successful passage up the east coast of Queensland. But first, meet the crew, Battledick and Lagatha, and Captain and Min.
From the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa,
Subscribe to our channel to watch our future adventures.
I keep on falling.
Des, or Battledick, has spent his life working and playing on the ocean. He is a Master Class 4 commercial skipper, and this is his current gig, operating the Spirit of Harvey Bay during the whale watch season.
Today was the 9th, the 8th. 7, 8. Quick cat, Spirit. Alright, we've found some whales over here on our 11 o'clock. Only about a mile or so away, so we're just going to go over there and see if we can find those guys. So, we'll try and grab a few extra bucks to try and finish Malindi K for our journey. Taking on a bit of extra work here with the whales in Harvey Bay this season. It's been fantastic. We've had an absolute cracker of a morning this morning, and as you can see, the conditions are fantastic.
Wow. They're waiting for food or something. Oh.
I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain of you, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the
These giants of the sea are southern humpback whales and migrate up the east coast of Australia every year to breed and mate in the warmer waters of the Great Barrier Reef. They drop into Harvey Bay on their way back south to rest, play, feed their young, and even do some people watching. This is without a doubt the best place in the world to have an up-close and personal experience with whales.
I'm still falling, but it tastes bittersweet. I like the taste of
Bronny, or Lagatha, is Battledick's much better half. She is the brains of this operation and is an accountant, as well as mermaid and siren of the sea.
Bronny, that was looking amazing. Eh?
Absolutely. That's a nice pack.
Here we go. There we go.
Alrighty, so showing you my day job. I'm we're not restoring Malindi K. This is on Osprey. We just departed Fraser Island. Pretty nice day out here. And we haven't got many guests on. And today, we got a little service dog. That's a bit rare. So I'm doing a little bit of an explore on this island. In Bachelor language, it's called Near Island. And the fan coral, kind of cool. There's the boat just chilling out. But it's cool. It's a stunning day out here. So yeah, this is work. Someone's got to do it, right? Right. So I was on Osprey yesterday, driving the Venture today. I think they've set me up because check out this fog. Oh shit. Anyway, this is the Venture. She's 45 metres barge. It'll take in excess of 20 vehicles and 400 passengers. So, alright, this is the gig today. Wheelhouse in here. You. Give you a little short tour. Now we got rid of the fog. What a stunning day, eh? We've done 2 runs over to the island this morning, just on mooring. That's the girl there. Just give the hose, deck a bit of a hose off. Beautiful.
Captain Min. Yeah, there we go. Woohoo! She didn't even eat that vegan.
This is Min, or Amanda, Brent's better half. Min is all about the water and operates her own swim school, teaching from babies right up to adults, as well as being our other siren of the sea.
Okay, so this is me, known to swim teaching. Just getting ready for classes this morning. We do everything from 4 months old to 99 and everything in the middle. So just waiting for the little kitty winks to arrive this morning. Just getting ready to get in the pool. Well done. Yeah, well done. Awesome. Oh my god!
Woo! How'd you go?
I touched it! Come on! Oh, that's amazing! Oh, thank you! That's amazing! You little boy there.
Because he is right. I do tend to swear a lot.
A little bit of profanity.
Yeah.
The odd bit of profanity.
But, you know,
Sometimes
a lot
it's
of,
called for, eh?
yeah, a lot of people relate to that, but
Yeah.
other people just think you're an uncouth hick.
Uncouth.
So, but they're not the people we're trying to attract.
Not our people.
They're not our He will edit everything, all right?
A YouTube version and then a
Yeah. You should have kept going with that.
Yeah. Just
Where are you, Brent?
Hey,
What are you doing?
just keep rolling. I'm straightening stuff up.
It's classic YouTube shit.
Mind you, he got in there pretty easily, Des.
Yeah. Everyone's forgotten about that. How? Hey, Des.
Yeah.
Oh, that's because there's screws there, right?
Right.
I need a drill and a screw. You'll remember in the last episode, Des and Bronny crossed the Wide Bay Bar. The very next morning, Brent and Amanda launched their boat, Bagus, and cruised down the Great Sandy Strait in whiteout fog to spend the next 4 days on the Malindi K, soaking up our beautiful backyard. in Platypus Bay in front of the beautiful arch cliffs, but not before a quick stop off for a dive for dinner, exploring other islands and enjoying the abundant wildlife. The west coast of Gari, or Fraser Island, is a protected waterway from the Pacific Ocean. It has a diverse ecosystems including sandflats, mangrove systems, coral reefs and outlying rocky islands. The whole area is a biosphere reserve, putting it in the same category as the Galapagos Islands and the Amazon rainforest. The Bachelor are the First Nation people and custodians of Gari, which translated means paradise. Fraser Island, or Gari, is the world's largest sand island and is home to ancient rainforests, crystal clear lakes and streams, and abundant wildlife including dingoes.
Never felt so alive in my life, 'cause you make me come to life every time I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? Crashing right into you. I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? Yeah, I'm free falling. Can you hear me calling for you? Yeah, I'm free falling. I'ma keep on falling for you. I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see?
From the Arch Cliffs, we steamed back south to anchor in front of Kingfisher Bay Resort and Village, the only resort and township on the west coast of Fraser Island. This is a popular stopover anchorage for sailors heading north each winter for the cruising season, joining the humpback whales on their annual migration.
Can't feel anything though. It's a super boat.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Malindi K Expeditions. Like, share it with your mates. It's a free way to help support our future adventures.